sweet. Juicy one mango, gekanyirira kabisa angel. Clean, kamuri kumeza, amazima nsonjagaza nnyo. Your love is sweet. Juicy one mango, gekanyirira kabisa.
Hi, it's Stella.
I'm Claire.
I'm Philip. And welcome back to our channel. As you can see, I have my little siblings, and we are going to be making smoothies. Okay, guys, I'm going to be making my smoothie very healthy, and then the ingredients I'm going to be using to make my smoothie very healthy is a banana, pear, beetroot, and tangerines. Also, I'm going to be adding some vanilla-free yogurt and some sugar-free soy milk.
Smoothie. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using: banana and blueberry, and some natural yogurt and some soya milk.
Guys, the ingredients I'm going to be using in my smoothie is pineapple, some strawberry and some banana, and some natural yogurt and some soya milk. Let's get started. Woo, woo. Okay, Claire, I don't think that's good enough. Can you add some more, please?
Okay.
Add the juice as well so that it can be more filled up. You need help.
Thank you. I think that's enough now.
Okay, that's enough. What are you gonna add next?
Banana.
Okay,
Hey.
let's add the banana and
Oh, please.
okay. Okay, now break it with your hands so we can add it in there. Claire, you think you need to cut it a bit for me? Yeah, let's add it in. What are you gonna add next? What else do you need to add in your smoothie? I think I remember you saying that you need to add yogurt.
Ah.
Okay, what are you gonna add next?
Some flavored yogurt.
Okay, let's see. What? Let's add it in there. How many spoons are you gonna add into your smoothie?
5.
Okay, let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Claire, do you think that's enough?
Yes.
I feel like we should add more to fill it up more so it can be more,
Okay.
you know, creamy.
More. That's enough now.
You think that's enough? Okay, what do you need to add next?
Some I need
I think you have to add some milk. Okay, let's add milk. Okay, can you add the milk by yourself? Or do you need help?
I kind of need help.
Tell me when to stop for your smoothie.
Stop.
Okay. Now, what do you have to do now?
Blend it.
Okay. Wait. Blend it. How did you still feel? Wait. Yeah, that's it.
Huh?
I think I know. Wait.
I think I think it.
So what colour did it turn?
Pink. Pink. Stop, my orange is full.
Where is it? Look, there's still stuff at the bottom that needs to be blended. Claire, why did you decide to write this book?
Because I like it summer when it's very hot. That's right. Yeah.
Oh, I think the smoothie is ready now. Okay.
Open. Yeah.
Now we're gonna add it into the.
Yeah.
Healthy and they're very refreshing, and you can eat them 5 a day. Yeah. So just really what do you think it's good? It's gonna taste very good in my opinion. When do you actually drink it? When it's very hot. Very hot in the summer. Like yeah, it's hot in the summer. Yeah. So what are you adding in your smoothie right now? Some banana. But right now I'm peeling the banana off. And I'm putting in my yogurt. Natural yogurt. And now I am cutting up pears so I can add it into my blender so it can be nice and fruity. 1 glass of milk. Okay guys, now we're gonna blend our smoothie because we added all our ingredients.
Wait. So that's gonna be finished.
Smoothies taste so good, and we want you to do one thing. Guys, don't forget to like
and subscribe.
And don't forget to comment what videos you want us to do next. Bye!